Welcome to Module 2.13, where we focus on the process of refining research questions. While developing initial research questions is a critical first step, the refinement process is equally important to ensure questions are optimally formulated. In this module, we'll explore the finer criteria for evaluating research questions, examine common pitfalls in question development, and discuss how to align questions with theoretical frameworks. These tools will help you transform promising initial questions into well-refined research inquiries. The finer criteria provide a systematic framework for evaluating and refining research questions. A good question must be feasible within available resources, technical expertise, and timeline. Ambitious questions may need narrowing to become manageable. It should be interesting not only to the researcher, but also to peers, mentors, and the broader field to maintain motivation and ensure relevance. The question should make a novel contribution to knowledge, addressing gaps rather than simply replicating existing work. Research questions must be ethical to conduct, with potential benefits justifying any risks to participants. Finally, questions should be relevant to practice, policy, or future research directions. Applying these criteria during question refinement helps ensure research efforts are directed toward valuable, achievable aims. Some common pitfalls can undermine research question effectiveness. Questions that are too broad or ambitious, such as, how can we improve healthcare delivery, lack the specificity needed for research design. Questions already definitively answered in the literature do not advance knowledge unless they address new contexts or methodologies. Unclear or ambiguous terms create confusion in study design and interpretation. Terms like effective, impact, or experience need precise operational definitions. Some questions, particularly those involving values or absolutes, may not be amenable to scientific study through available methods. Finally, questions misaligned with methodology, such as using quantitative methods for inherently experiential questions, lead to fundamental research flaws. Recognizing these pitfalls allows researchers to refine questions accordingly. Strong research questions typically align with relevant theoretical frameworks. Theory guides variable selection by identifying key constructs and their relationships. Theoretical frameworks provide structure for question development, ensuring conceptual coherence and disciplinary relevance. Well-crafted questions explicitly connect concepts within the theoretical tradition, using terminology consistent with the framework. Effective research questions build on existing theoretical work while identifying specific areas for expansion or clarification. Ultimately, aligned questions contribute to advancing theoretical understanding by testing, refining, or extending existing frameworks. This theoretical grounding strengthens research questions by situating them within established knowledge structures while clearly identifying their potential contribution to theoretical development